So William,
yeah.
Want to grab the Stanley Cup?
Oh, yeah.
There, folks, now we can see King Air, JEA. We're gonna start pulling it out and getting it ready because the Stanley Cup is gonna be here in about an hour. Okay, folks, we only have a few seconds, so let me get through this really quickly. Yellowknife was selected by Scotiabank for Hockey Day in Canada. And basically what that means is one city gets picked to actually have a week-long celebrations of everything to do with hockey. Super, super cool. But really what that means is the Stanley Cup is coming to Yellowknife, my most favorite thing in the world. You've seen ice belts, you know I love this thing. This thing needs no introduction. And Sportsnet reached out to me because they're going to be filming the whole week and all the festivities. And with Scotiabank and Sportsnet, they came up with the idea of maybe taking the Stanley Cup and taking it to another community. But here's the problem. We only have 10 hours. And here's a schedule I got. What the heck's going on here? Well, they want to take the Stanley Cup on a tour. And who's going to go on that tour? Legendary sports broadcaster, my hero, Ron MacLean, 7-time Stanley Cup winner, 6 as a player, 1 as an assistant coach, the legendary Brian Trottier, and of course, my hero, Phil Pritchard, the keeper of the cup, and of course, the film crew. So what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna load all these people and the Stanley Cup into a King Air, right? And we're gonna fly from Yellowknife to Norman Wells. We're going to spend 2.5 hours in Norman Wells, fly to Delaney, the birthplace of hockey, spend 2.5 hours in Delaney, flip around, and come home because the cup needs to be back in Yellowknife by 1700 hours because it has to be on the ice in Yellowknife at 1730. So this is what we got to do, folks. This crazy schedule is what we're going to be filming today. Can we make it back by 5 o'clock? Let's figure it out. Let's just go. Hey William, how's it looking?
Good.
We're all good to go?
Oh yeah, we're just waiting for fuel and we'll be ready.
You excited?
Oh yeah.
Okay folks, the airplane is outside, ready to go. Just waiting on the cup and the crew. Hey, Stu, what's happening?
Hey,
Phil.
what's going on, Mikey? How's it
Oh, good to see you again.
And you.
Oh.
I wouldn't miss you.
Ron? Oh my God, Mikey McBryan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for this.
Good. Oh, yeah. No problem. We're getting the plane ready for you.
Good show.
Brian? Oh, Brian. Honored to meet you, man. Yeah, we'll take care of it. Holy smokes. There she is, eh?
Yes.
So many.
Are we allowed to take a picture?
Yeah,
go.
Good shot, Brian.
You guys put lead in this thing, Phil?
Mountain School.
In Norman Wells, folks. Look at all the kids here. All here to see the Stanley Cup. Yep. We got to fly him. Very honored. Buffalo Airways donated the flight. Very cool. So William and I get to spend the day at the Stanley Cup too.
Yeah.
Very cool. I love it.
Thanks, guys.
All right.
Wow, what a day. And it's not even half over yet.
I know.
What do you think, William?
Oh no, I'm going home now.
We're riding with
That's too much for me.
in the plane, in the car.
Okay, so that was Norman Wells.
Yeah.
We now are off to Delaney.
Yeah.
William, how long is the flight?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That's not too bad.
Yeah.
Okay, next stop, Delaney. William, what do you think?
Oh, there's worse day, I think.
So, William, want to grab the Stanley Cup? William, look at this.
Yeah.
Look at where we're at.
It's crazy.
Delaney, you sure knows how to make it happen, eh?
Oh, yeah.
30-foot teepee, food.
What
This
can
is
we ask for more?
this is the place, man. I
Oh,
love
yeah.
it.
AJ will have to go back alone.
Okay, William. Where are we?
On our way
To the teepee. Where's the cup? Oh, we got, see the cup's back there. Everybody's going and we're going into the teepee. Look at this. Oh, wow. Man, Delaney, eh? They know how to do it here.
Fast as you're gonna get there.
Bill, what do you think? What's your thoughts on Delaney?
Hey, I'm ready for food. Caribou and crushed trout.
Ron, what do you think?
It sounds great, Mike. Isn't it fantastic? Moose and trout, and obviously the greatest hospitality. The culture center is amazing, right? So, do you know the story of Mandy?
No.
Mandy's mother, Gina, and I were at the Gold Range years ago, so we were. I wasn't here 5 minutes. I wondered why there were 3 RCMP following me.
Danny, what do you got there?
Mikey, somebody brought this cup. Apparently they lost it again. We gotta get it back to the NHL before the playoffs start.
How's it going, Phil? Hey, doing good?
Yeah, awesome. This is unbelievable.
Next time.
Oh, your wife
Oh, just touch it faster.
One more time.
Is it time to go?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you at the plane.
See you at the plane, Mikey.
Okay, we're racing back. We're about, I think about a half an hour late. So we're gonna get going and we need our ride. Oh man. See you guys.
Mikey, thank you very much.
Oh, well, we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So Phil, I gotta get you on camera a little bit. 10 years.
10 years we're back.
We're back.
Hanging out again,
Do we
doing
got-
the north.
Do we have to wait another 10 years or?
Let's hope not.
Norman Wells and then a 30-minute flight into Delaney. What was the highlight for you?
Oh my God, there were so many highlights. To walk the Stanley Cup on Great Bear Lake, see the smiles of those people of Delaney was pretty special. But I still think the highlight, besides the food and all the swag, the beaver gloves, I mean, it just seemed like they just opened up their hearts to us. But Norman Wells, Delaney, I think they were shining today.
So Ron, pretty good trip?
Oh, Mike. First of all, Buffalo Air, you obviously know what you're doing, so thank you for the tour, the festival tour. It felt like we were a music band going across the north. But yeah, unbelievable day. And as I said, from the moose to the trout to the drumming to the heartfelt welcome, great.
Oh, thank you for coming, man. This is so awesome.
Same, Mike.
Phil, I love you, man. Bye. Wow, that was quick. That was awesome. Let's check the time. Stella, what time is it?
It's
How did MRA like the cup?
4:47.
4:47.
She loved it.
So there we go, folks. Another project done.